Hello there. So, we have a weevil in Iceland. as soon as I noticed it started to play dead. But don't worry. I know you're probably not used to people noticing you. You're the first beetle I see in Iceland. So a lot of the bugs there are flies. Flies are, well, very hardy. But there's a little weevil. A very pretty weevil with some very nice colors. Yeah, it's a little awkward to film just because we're in the shadows. But look at you move. Hello there. You are beautiful. As always. I wonder what kind of weevil you are. Weevils are the most common, the most numerous of the beetles. So half of all beetle species are weevils, and half of all insect species are beetles, and half of all animal species are insects. So you're like an eighth of all animals. Really cool. Love your colors. As always, pretty legs. I'm going to try to see what kind of weevil you are. But yeah, have a good day.